And today, special thanks to our friends at SUPCASE who were nice enough to send us their Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the 2024 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So inside of this is a Z Fold 6 Unicorn Beetle Pro case. Inside here, I like the quality I'm feeling here, very nice. Let's slide this off. There we go. Now we've got, look at that, a whole very nice instruction manual. Gotta dig that. All right. Then case, and oh, that's literally it. So inside of here, wow, 9H tempered glass. That's nice protectiveness. So let me, can I peel that off? I can, there we go. So this is the case here. Comes in two nice pieces. Very nice. Take the plastic off. And so I have a Z Fold 6 dummy phone right here. And so essentially the easiest way to do this is open up your phone and you kind of slide in the backside here. So kind of line up where your camera module goes and it kind of just pops right into place. See how that works? Then for the front, it's kind of sliding it on the opposite way. So you kind of slide it on this way and it kind of does the same thing. You hear those little snaps, that's it snapping into place. And there we go. Now what's really, really unique about this is you can of course open this up and then you have the ability to have your S Pen pop right into here so that it's kind of always with you. So if you're using your phone like this, great, no problem. You can open it up, use the whole screen if you want, and then just close it all back. And you have a nice spot to keep your S Pen, your speaker, and USB-C port. There is just a SUPCASE logo here by the fingerprint reader. Nothing else like branding around it. It does have this carbon fibery look around it. And there is, of course, a kickstand like all the other Unicorn Beetle cases have. So you can easily set this up and, you know, enjoy you a lunch or something and watch a movie on your big screen. So I really like this case. I love that it completely protects it. This front glass is protected. The inside should stay pretty well protected because it'll be closed for the most part. So no real problem there. Nice thick bumpers though, all around it. I mean, if you drop it on this side, you definitely shouldn't break anything with this big part being here to hold the S Pen. Yeah, really like what I'm seeing. Nicely done, SUPCASE. So thanks again to SUPCASE who was nice enough to send me this 2024 Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 case. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.